Welcome to my channel Daily English. Parts of speech. Types of noun. There are 10 types of noun are used in English language. Number 1, proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name of person, place or thing, and it starts with capital letter. For example, Tina have much work to do. She lives in London. In above examples, Tina and London both are proper noun. Number 2, common noun. The opposite of proper noun is common noun. Common noun is the general name of an item in a class. For example, the girl crossed the river. In the above example, girl and river both are common noun. Number 3, concrete noun. A concrete noun is something perceived by the sense, that is physical or real. For example, my keyboard is sticky. I heard the doorbell. Doorbell and keyboard name real things, can be sensed. Number 4, abstract noun. An abstract noun is something that cannot be perceived by sense. For example, he always shows the courage. Courage is an abstract noun. It cannot be seen, heard, or sensed in any other way, but it exists. Number 5, collective noun. A collective noun is a group of collection of people or things. For example, a pride of lions roamed, a herd of cows grazed. Pride and herd are collective nouns. Number 6, singular noun. Noun that refers to only one person, place, or thing. For example, a cat is one animal and a banana is one fruit. Number 7, plural noun. Noun that refers to more than one noun. Many singular nouns just need an s added at the end to make the plural. For example, bee, bees. Some nouns ends with an s. We may need es to add. For example, class, classes, bus, buses. Some singular noun also change spellings when made plural. For example, countries, babies. Number 8, compound noun. Compound noun combines two or more words into one. It appears as a singular word. Sometimes it connects by hyphen. For example, toothpaste, dry cleaning. Number 9, countable noun. A countable noun is one that can be counted. For example, I have 3 books and 2 notebooks. Number 10, uncountable noun. An uncountable noun is one that cannot be counted. For example, salt, luggage, advice. Uncountable noun typically don't have the plural form. To watch more videos, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.